Capital punishment, which is also known as a death penalty, refers to the execution by the state of an individual convicted as very serious crime. In 2014, the UN Secretary General stated that the death penalty had no place in the 21st century, calling for leaders of countries across the world to take steps towards the abolition of this form of punishment. Although the Article 6 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights states that countries retaining the death penalty should only use it as punishment for crimes involving intentional killings, some jurisdictions continue to impose capital punishment for less serious offenses. In the UK, the Murder, Abolition of Death Penalty Act 1965 abolished the use of capital punishment. However, it was only in 1998, when the Human Rights Act and the Crime and Disorder Act were introduced, that the death penalty was formally and fully abolished. Across the world, around 150 out of the 193 United Nations member states have either officially abolished the use of death penalty or no longer use it in practice. 2021 Amnesty International report reveals that executions persistently took place in 18 countries, with a number of executions increasing by 20% compared to 2022 numbers. Death penalty is a topic of many debates, with supporters referring to retributive arguments of capital punishment being a just and proportional punishment for those who unlawfully killed another person. Further, supporters also argue that those that commit murders are unable to be successfully rehabilitated, and death penalty can help save resources that would be wasted on rehabilitation attempts. Additionally, some suggest that existence of death penalty can act as a deterrent from committing crime. On the other hand, there are many more arguments against death penalty, including the commonality of wrongful convictions, no evidence that the deterrent effect works, the biases within the criminal justice system that put vulnerable and marginalized people in more danger, as well as the ways in which capital punishment violates human rights. More information about capital punishment, as well as further readings on this topic, can be found in the SCCJR resource available from the SCCJR website.